Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the Carfax app works, what features it offers, and whether it's worth downloading if you're buying, selling, or maintaining a vehicle. The Carfax app is designed primarily for car buyers and sellers who want to know the history of a used vehicle before making a decision. It provides access to Carfax vehicle history reports, which include data such as accident history, number of previous owners, service records, mileage inconsistencies, and title status. This can help you avoid cars with hidden problems. You can search for used cars listed with Carfax reports directly within the app, filtered by your location, price range, and other preferences. Another feature worth noting is the Carfax Car Care section. It allows you to keep track of service and maintenance records for your vehicles. After you register your car using its VIN, you'll get reminders for oil changes, inspections, and other services. This is especially helpful for owners trying to stay on top of vehicle maintenance without needing to track it manually. The app even checks for open recalls based on your VIN, which can be crucial for safety. Carfax also supports vehicle value tracking. If you're planning to sell your car, the app estimates its current market value and shows you how it compares to similar vehicles. This can help set realistic expectations for pricing. You can also use the app to list your car for sale, and buyers can view your vehicle's Carfax report to build trust. However, there are a few downsides. While the app itself is free to download, full Carfax reports typically require payment unless they're offered as part of a vehicle listing. This can be a drawback if you're checking several cars at once. Also, some users have mentioned occasional glitches when searching for vehicles or adding VINs, though these issues tend to be resolved through updates. Overall, the Carfax app is useful if you're buying a used car and want to avoid surprises, or if you want to manage your car's maintenance and recall history more efficiently. While it may not be perfect and can get costly if you need multiple reports, the peace of mind it offers can be well worth it. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.